Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Godzilla video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Legendary Godzilla versus the Evolved Godzilla in a surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Legendary Godzilla versus Evolved Godzilla Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. Let's begin by lining up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, let's line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now, when we open this up, we have these nice little guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. And you can turn your drawing this way so you can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with the Evolved Godzilla over here. So we're going to begin with the eye. So let's start right about here, and let's make a little line. It's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back here. Next, let's make a little line that curves up for the actual eye. Let's bring this line back here. And then let's add a couple little lines back here for some detail. Then let's bring this line down and over to here. Next, starting here, let's kind of curve this around, and let's bring this to about here, and then let's come down so we can kind of shape out where the head's going to be. Then let's bring this line over to about here. Let's come up a little bit, and then we're just going to curve this down. Let's make a little line down here. And then let's put another little line up here and kind of color it in. Next, starting over here, let's make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and in and then down like this. Let's do another one. We'll come out, kind of go down and in, and then connect to here. We'll also bring this line down and kind of do the same thing. Now let's work on the chin. Let's bring this line down, and we'll make a couple little like points at the bottom. Then we'll bring this line over to about here. Then let's make some like points right here just to kind of show that he's got these little spikes coming up. Then for the neck, let's make a line that's going to go down and up, and we'll just kind of repeat this shape all the way down to about here. Now let's come in here and add some of the different details. So let's kind of start on the nose area, and let's bring some lines that are just going to kind of come up. And we're just going to make some more of these kind of broken lines that just kind of go down and up. We'll make some little kind of broken lines down the face. We'll even put a nice broken line here. We'll add some broken lines here. And some little lines here. Let's kind of bring some of these lines up. Make a little line here. And we can put some more little lines right around here as well, even one here. I'm even going to make some kind of like rounded shapes right there. And then we can put some little kind of like triangle shapes right across the top here. And then we can even start to add some little spikes right across here that get a little bit bigger towards the back of the head. And then let's make a couple like pointed spikes back here. And we put some little details right around here and a couple coming down. Now, over here, let's go ahead and draw the Legendary Godzilla. Now, to start off with Legendary Godzilla, let's begin right about here with the eye. So just kind of line it up with the other one. And let's just go down and then kind of bring this back here. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to curve up for the actual eye. Then right here underneath the eye, let's make a couple little lines. And then let's kind of bring some other little lines down here. Then we'll kind of bring this line back to here. Next, let's bring this line up and then down here. And then for the nose, let's just draw a little line down, make it a little darker in the middle. Next, let's bring this line back here, and then we're going to bring it down. Let's make another one that goes over and down, and then one more. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then up here. Then we're going to bring this over, and we'll just make it a little bumpy as we come up. Next, let's draw a line that's going to go down and up, and we're just going to kind of continue this all the way down here. Next, let's add some details up here. So let's just kind of extend some of these lines that just kind of come down and up. Then we can make a couple little lines kind of right around here. Make some broken lines here. And a few kind of little lines right around here for some detail. Let's bring a little line down. And some more little lines here. And we kind of make some little lines like this. And put some details, kind of where Godzilla's gills are going to be. And we can make some more lines kind of right across the back here. And just some more little detail areas just to kind of fill things up. Next, let's put a little spike right across there for like some of the dorsal plates. And we can bring some extra little lines on here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Godzillas. We have Legendary and then the Evolved. Let's go ahead and start the Legendary first. So let's begin by bringing this line down a little bit. And then let's bring this line up a little bit. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to bring this line kind of down here. A little bit wavy. And then right here, we're just going to kind of curve this down. And bring it to here to connect. We're going to add a little line back here for like the back of the mouth. And just kind of put some broken little lines here. Now for the teeth, we're just going to add some different size sharp teeth in here. And we're just going to bring these all the way across. And then we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of put some different size teeth. Now for a tongue, let's bring this line down. Kind of curve it up and down, and then right to here. Then for like the back of the mouth, let's bring a little line down, and then we're going to bring a line up, leaving a little space there. We'll do the same thing, little line down, and then little line up. Next, to kind of shape out some of the different details here, let's kind of bring some broken lines across here. And even some little lines that kind of go up and down. Let's bring some little lines across here, and then some more underneath there. And then we can even make some more of these kind of wavy lines to kind of connect with that. And add some more kind of details and stuff right up here. Next, starting here, well, let's make his atomic blast. So let's just kind of make some broken lines that come right to here. And then some more over here. And then we're just going to make these kind of like big spiky shapes all the way around. Now let's go ahead and draw the Evolved Godzilla. So let's start here by bringing this line down. We're going to bring this down to here and then kind of back. Then we're going to kind of curve this line down and then connect it to here. We're going to draw a little line back here for the back of the mouth. And then we're just going to make some broken lines here. Now for the teeth, just kind of the same thing. We're just going to make a big row of like some sharp teeth. You can make them kind of different sizes. And we'll do the same thing down here. Just make some pointed teeth coming all the way to about here. For the tongue, let's bring this line down and then kind of back here. Then for the back of the mouth, we're going to bring this line down and then a second. Then down here, we'll bring this line up and then a second little line. Now right across here, let's make like a broken line across the top and bottom of the mouth. Then we're going to make a couple more little lines. I'm going to make some of these lines kind of come down here into some details, and then I'm going to make some of these lines kind of come up too. And put a couple more lines here. I'm also going to add some little spikes that come down here, just for some little detail on there. And I'm going to add another row of spikes that kind of comes up here. We'll add some little curved lines around there. And then we're just going to make some more kind of long lines kind of right around here. And we'll kind of bring some of these lines down. And then we'll add just a few more lines right over here. Now, let's make his atomic blast. So let's begin here, and we're going to kind of do that same thing, just kind of make some broken lines that come up. And we'll do the same thing here, just some kind of like broken lines. Then we're going to make some more kind of like just zigzagged lines right across here. And then we'll just kind of connect these lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Legendary Godzilla versus Evolved Godzilla Surprise Fold. So when we have it all closed up, we got both Godzillas facing off, and then when we open it, they're using their atomic blast on each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.